In the grand theatre of human folly, few subjects have been more grotesquely mishandled than that of unidentified flying objects, UFOs. The term itself, once a mere placeholder for the unexplained, has become a ludicrous synonym for extraterrestrial craft. A leap of logic so vast and so absurd that it would be comical if it weren't so tragically indicative of the human penchant for preferring the fanciful over the factual. Let's be clear. To deny the existence of unexplained atmospheric phenomena is as intellectually untenable as to assert that these phenomena must be of alien origin. The universe, not to mention our own planet, is replete with wonders far surpassing the narrow imaginations of UFO enthusiasts and alien conspiracy theorists. Consider, if you will, the phenomena of ball lightning, blue jets, and red sprites, majestic natural occurrences that remain largely enigmatic to our scientific understanding. These are not the fabrications of a science fiction writer's fevered brain, but documented, observable events that challenge our comprehension of atmospheric and electrical processes. And what of St. Elmo's fire or the mysterious lights that sometimes hover near volcanic eruptions? These are not the playful pranks of extraterrestrial visitors, but natural phenomena, as awe-inspiring as any tale of interstellar travelers. Yet in the minds of some skeptics, any acknowledgement of these phenomena is tantamount to an endorsement of alien spacecraft. This is a fallacy of false equivalence, a logical error so basic that it would be laughable were it not so prevalent. To equate the acknowledgement of unexplained atmospheric phenomena with belief in alien visitation is not just intellectually lazy, it is an abdication of the very principles of skepticism. These skeptics, in their haste to distance themselves from the taint of ufology, fail to recognize that they are committing the same error as the believers. They see a light in the sky and leap to an unwarranted conclusion. In the case of the UFO enthusiasts, the conclusion is that these lights are alien spacecraft. In the case of the skeptics, the conclusion is that there can be nothing worth investigating. Both are equally fallacious. The universe is vast, mysterious, and not yet fully understood by our still developing scientific knowledge. To dismiss out of hand any phenomenon that does not immediately fit into our current understanding is not skepticism. It is a refusal to acknowledge the limits of our knowledge. True skepticism requires an open mind, a willingness to consider the evidence, and a refusal to jump to conclusions, whether those conclusions involve alien spacecraft or the non-existence of unexplained phenomena. The irony in this discourse is profound and inescapable. The same shadows of ignorance that shroud the minds of fervent ufologists are, in a curious twist, reflected in the skeptics' own lack of rigor. Both parties, ensnared in their respective narratives, fail to appreciate the true wonder and complexity of the phenomena they debate. Ufologists, with their heads in the clouds, often forsake scientific inquiry for fanciful speculation, while skeptics, with their feet firmly planted in cynicism, dismiss out of hand the possibility of uncharted scientific frontiers. This mutual blindness creates a peculiar dance of ignorance and enlightenment, where the unknown is either embraced too eagerly or rejected too quickly. It's a fascinating juxtaposition, revealing as much about human nature as it does about our understanding of the cosmos. The genuine intrigue lies not in the simplistic binaries of belief and disbelief, but in the nuanced interplay of knowledge, hypothesis, and the ever-present human tendency to leap before looking. The intriguing phenomenon of Jupiter's auroral spots, with their orb-like appearances, offers a compelling gateway into our discussion on UFOs and atmospheric anomalies. These spots, vividly resembling orbs and directly corresponding with the positions of Jupiter's moons, present a fascinating celestial parallel to the enigmatic orb-like phenomena often reported in our own skies. If such luminous spheres can manifest as a natural, explainable occurrence in the vast magnetic fields of a gas giant, then it's not beyond the realm of reason to contemplate similar, albeit less understood, phenomena occurring in the unique atmospheric conditions of Earth. This striking similarity beckons us to a more profound realization. The universe, in its boundless complexity, might be crafting similar patterns across different worlds, whether through the dance of electromagnetic forces on Jupiter or the still mysterious processes in our atmosphere. Thus, in our rush to label and categorize, we might be overlooking a fundamental truth, that the orbs we observe might be natural phenomena, as deserving of serious scientific inquiry as the spectacular displays on a distant planet.